Right guys, this is not a tutorial. This is just, you know, me and my Stepson are out today and we're just testing out a few parkour spots. We're going to be in the park today, just testing things out. So I love this because this is really good because it's got loads of obstacles on it. And you can, like, obviously in real parkour situations, you're going to be ducking up obstacles and, you know, having to use your wits and everything. So I'm going to test out, try on this a bit. There we go. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to use this little slide area to our advantage, and we're going to like just test different things out, see our different ways of getting up there, working on speed, working on flow. Again guys, remember it's all about flow. Like, don't be afraid to go and experiment in your park. Your park is all about experimenting. You know, we're all about experimenting the human body and pushing our boundaries a little. Okay?
Yeah.
So it's just beginner friendly. We're not doing any flips or anything really. We're just going to be chilling out. All right.
Yep, and having fun.
Let's go and having fun. Right, cut the video, mate.
Huh?
Cut the video. So again guys, don't get disheartened. We're just having fun, you know, testing out different things. The more you practice, the more things you can achieve and test out different things, all right? going to see you in the next area.
Not in this one.
Alright, so at the moment my stepson is just sitting up because he's going to catch his breath.
And have a drink.
And he's going to have a drink. Another thing we can do, we can utilize stuff like this. You're getting into small gaps, trying different things, maybe a few dive rolls, just trying different things out, because obviously when we're properly out training and stuff, or say if we was getting chased, it wouldn't be just a nice straight path. We'd have obstacles, you know. So it's a good way to think about it, and, you know, because you can practice, because you can just imagine this is like a big gap that you need to jump through, so you could use that. All right, so let's get going. Yeah, keep trying, keep practicing.
Nice one.
All right, guys, so if we don't do another one, then we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy. Remember, keep practicing, keep training.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid to go out and train your environment, you know?
Yeah, that's what the environment is made for.
Exactly, that's what the environment is made for. Wise words, man, wise words. Anyway, guys, we are out. Have a good day.
Peace.